Now I need to cross this. It's little slippery.
Just 60 kilometers.
Folks, good evening. So today, being a Sunday, we are heading to a beautiful waterfall which is just 60 kilometers away from Hyderabad. The place name is Bodakonda Waterfall. So this is the route currently which we are heading to. Let's see how it looks. Not sure. Okay, we'll take right from here. Nice route through the country roads. No national highways. This place is also has become a beautiful holiday destination to the Hyderabadis. Just 65 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Most of the people, most of the friends are coming. So today I have come along with Sai. That Pedda Manshi, I'll ask Pedda Manshi. Lante villan adugudam. Anna waterfalls enta durame? Bodakonda waterfalls. అంటే ఎంట్రీ కానిస్తలేరా? అబ్బా అబ్బా అబ్బా,
ప్రభావం ఎక్కువ ఉందంట. జాడి కింద కూడా చనిపోయారంట. అప్పటి నుంచి పని చేసి పోవాలంటే బోడకుండా నుంచే పోవాలి. అది ఇక అవతలకి వెళ్ళి పోవద్దు. లేదు చెల్లకెళ్ళి మీకు ఎట్ట గుర్తు చెల్లకెళ్ళి పోయేది. మళ్ళీ గుర్రం తండకు పోవాలి. గుర్రం తండకు పోయి మళ్ళీ అవతలకి వెళ్ళి రావాలంటే ఆ గుట్టలకి వెళ్ళి రాలేరు మీరు. అంత దూరంకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చిర్రు మీరు. ఎవరికైనా అడిగి ఇట్లా అడిగి రావాలి.
అరే నిన్న ఫోటోలు అందరు అప్లోడ్ చేసిర్రు బోడకొండ అన్న. సరే నిన్న కూడా ఓపెన్ ఉంది కదా అని వచ్చిన.
అది పెద్ద ఆగు వస్తుంది గుట్ట పైకి వెళ్ళి ఆడు చూడడానికి పోయి తీసుకుంటారు. అన్న పోయిందని తమ్ముడు కూడా పోయిందంట పట్టణికి. ఆయన కూడా నడుములు పోయినాయి. ఆడు దవాఖానలో కూడా ఆడు కూడా చనిపోయింది.
అబ్బా Hello people, a ride update. Bodakonda waterfall has been closed. Water flow is there. Closed means police people are not allowing any tourists because 15 days ago, today is October 5th, 4th, 15 days ago a person has died, fallen from the peak of the waterfall. That's the reason police are not allowing. Right, correct. Now adi vachesindi arch. Finally we have reached to the arch. Okay. Off-road, my lovely road. Okay, మట్టి పిచ్చి ఉంది. But Enfield will do it, man. It will take it. Aram se it will go. Aram se it will go. Not an issue. Kali iska. It is kind of sand, building sand, man. The sand which we use for construction purpose seems like this only. Illu katte piece. Nice. Will Tiger Tramp can make it these type of routes? This much sandy route, loose sand, can they do it? I'm not sure if we have traction control vehicles, if it is possible to do it, because I never rode those type of vehicles, traction controlled. Oh. I think those kind of splendors can make it easily. As this is being a heavy vehicle, little struggle we are facing. See how passion is coming easily. భయ్యా మొత్తం ఇదేనా పరిస్థితి రోడ్డుది ముందు వరకేనా మంచిగా ఉందా వాటర్ ఫాల్ ఉందా ఓకే పోయి అదన్నా చూస్తాం ఆడ పోనిస్తలే పోలీసు వాళ్ళు అందుకని వచ్చు వా 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 శంభో శంకర అంతే ఇగో ఈ లైన్లో వెళ్ళిపోవాలి ఆహా ఆహా స్టంట్ మానియా టుడే వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ స్టంట్ మానియా worthy coming to Borakonda. Seriously. Nice route. I really enjoyed. I remember that only in Saleshwaram route same this path I have experienced, and this is the second time in my life. Wow, what a route, man, what a route. Beautiful route to an unknown lake and a small water stream, which we are heading to, and the cattle on the opposite direction. Signing off. Good night, cattle. Good night. సాయి వస్తుంది సాయిదా పోవచ్చుదా అమ్మో అమ్మా ఫైనలీ. ఓ ట్రాక్టర్ రేటర్ స్కిడ్ అయిందిరా నాయన. బా పొగ మంచు చూసిన క్రేజీ ఉంది అసలు. నీ రూట్ కూడా వెనకాల. కోతులు ఉన్నాయి. హలో బాయ్ హటో. బా 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 చెరువు ఈ పైనే. ఏ గుర్రం, నువ్వు అడిగి గుర్రమా? రావే. వా 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 బ్యూటిఫుల్, isn't it beautiful? That is a wild horse we have here. Ba. What a beauty. I'll show you the viewpoint also from here, how it's looking. Very beautiful it is. Actually, we thought of exploring this time Borakonda waterfall, but there was an unfortunate incident happened 15 days ago, I think. So some person has died falling from the cliff point of the waterfall. So because of that incident, they are not allowing any tourist people, any of the folks, not even the villagers, to the Borakonda waterfalls. So we thought of exploring this beautiful village, and we have come to this beautiful location, and hope you have seen the route also in the action camera, how tough it is. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy the view now. వస్తుంది ఆ సైన్ నిజంగా. ఏ మోడల్? D70 D90 5D 60 అవి లేవా? కెనాన్ డాడీ తీసుకుంటా అంటున్నా. లిటర్గా అట్లుంటేనే మనం కూడా well shot. Very nice. See, water from that lake, it's going this way, but there is no way to flow the water that side. So I'm here to that side. Maybe there is some hollow path, I'm not sure, but let me show you how it's going. See. From where this water is coming. Okay, we have a path here. Huh? Okay. From here the water is coming. Seriously guys, we thought of exploring Bordakota waterfall, but some unfortunate incident was happened. Still, a good place to hang out. This entire village, people is saying, this entire village is full of waterfalls during monsoon because of these mountains range. See, very beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Just by listening the sound of water, beautiful. Hey idiots, please don't throw garbage, even family people, diapers, what it is man. ఇట్లా మన ఇల్లులు ఖరాబ్ చేస్తాం, మళ్ళీ ఇడికి వచ్చి కూడా ఖరాబ్ ఉంది. Some refreshing face wash to Sai Kumar. See the beauty of the waterfalls. This is Dargam Cheruvu. Dargam Cheruvu. Nice location. Oh, now I need to cross this. It's little slippery. Huh? నాకు నువ్వు అనగానే పాముంది. Wow, wow, wow. Nice. It's really beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. The stream path is beautiful. కప్పనారా అది ఏమన్నా దుంకినా నేను ఏందిరా ఆయన అది అట్లా దుంకుతుంది అనుకున్నా. Beautiful. Wonderful, really amazing route, amazing place. Spend. It's worthy coming 60 kilometers. I thought, why we didn't say anything going back home, but fortunately found this place. Beautiful, beautiful it is. So guys, finally we are thinking to leave from here. Currently it is 7 I think, and sun has also gone down. We are hearing lot of peacock noises and not wild animals, but as it's getting dark and the route is also so much complicated, you have seen, so we wanted to head back home now. It's 70 kilometers to home. And see, now I wanted to show the lake, how it looks in the evening. Just see. I'll turn the camera. It is in the
are in Himalayas.
That looks beautiful, man. Whatever we see it from normal human eye, that can't be seen from camera lens. Admit this. Not beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, as I always say, please subscribe, and if you like it, please like the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.